Welcome to Star Media channel. This video is about the primary level general knowledge for English medium students. First question is, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Second question, who was the first President of India? Answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Third question, who was the first Vice President of India? Answer, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Fourth question, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer, Indira Gandhi. Fifth question, who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Answer, Sucheta Kripalani. Sixth question, which is the largest state in India? Answer, Rajasthan. Seventh question, which is the smallest state in India? Answer, Goa. Eighth question, who is known as the first citizen of India? Answer, President. Ninth question, who is known as the second citizen of India? Answer, Vice President. 10th question, who is known as the third citizen of India? Answer, Prime Minister. 11th question, when we celebrate Independence Day? Answer, August 15. 12th question, when we celebrate Republic Day? Answer, January 26. 13th question, how many spokes in the national flag of India? Answer, 24 spokes. 14th question, which is the national flower of India? Answer, lotus. 15th question, which is the national animal of India? Answer, tiger. 16th question, which is the national bird of India? Answer, peacock. 17th question, who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Answer, Fatima Bibi. 18th question, which is the longest river in the world? Answer, Nile. 19th question, which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer, cheetah. 20th question, which is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer, Arctic Ocean. 21st question, which is the highest mountain in India? Answer, Kanchenjunga. 22nd question, which is the largest lake in India? Vular Lake. 23rd question, who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer, Shah Jahan. 24th question, who built Taj Mahal? Answer, Shah Jahan. 25th question, which is the currency of USA? Answer, dollar. 26th question, which is the currency of India? Answer, Rupa. 27th question, who composed the Indian national anthem? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. 28th question, who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer, Kiran Bedi. 29th question, where is the Vular Lake situated in India? Answer, Jammu and Kashmir. 30th question, what is the height of 3 wooden stumps in cricket? Answer, 28 inches. 31st question, which type of lens is used in the camera? Answer, convex lens. 32nd question, which is the national game of India? Answer, hockey. 33rd question, which is India's highest sports award? Answer, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. 34th question, full form of WWW? Answer, World Wide Web. 35th question, Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Answer, Assam. 36th question, which is the largest river in India? Answer, Ganga River. 37th question, Who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? Answer, Meera Kumar. 38th question. Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? Answer, Rajasthan. 39th question. How long does the earth rotate in a circle? Answer, 365.25 days. 40th question. Who is the inventor of gravitational rules? Answer, Sir Isaac Newton. 41st question. Who discovered the television? Answer, John Logie Baird. 42nd question. Who has compiled the rule of motion of the planets? Answer, Kepler. 43rd question. Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. Who first proved it? Answer, Copernicus. 44th question. What is the frequency of sound waves in the audio compound? Answer, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. 45th question. The filament of the light bulb is made up of which element? Answer, tungsten. 46th question. India is situated in which continent? Answer, Asia. 47th question. Who is the inventor of radio? Answer, Marconi. 48th question. Who is the founder of Indian National Army or INA? Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. 49th question. Who invented the electric bulb? Answer, Edison. 15th question, the last question. Rainbow is caused by dash. Answer, reflection and refraction. The questions are over. Thank you.